Hello, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and thank you so much for being here today. So as the title suggests, we are going to be doing some pin unboxings, and I'll be completely honest with you. The reason that I'm doing this today is because some of my favorite YouTubers are posting all about their lovely trips, specifically Brianna Tata, Madison Pratt, and Katie Brown. They have been posting all of their vlogs, specifically Flower and Garden Festival, and I'm a bit jealous. So I figured I wanted some Disney magic as I am here in my home, thousands of miles away. So I figured I can do some pin unboxings of some pins that I picked up at my last time I was in Disney World last year that I have been hoarding for specifically this moment. Before we get into this, I owe you a giveaway update. I'm giving away a Beauty and the Beast pin. I'll pop it up here. This was in my last video. I'll link it up below, or down below, up above, whatever. And if you commented, you were entered into the option to win the pin. So I'm gonna pull up a random comment picker. So let's get, and I'll post this on there. Like, get down. I'll do the screenshot, so post in the link to it. Anything went, so I will pop it up below, you know, I'll screen record or whatever. So I'm gonna pull it in the random content generator. And essentially what this does is you paste your YouTube link and you are able to, as it suggests, pick a random comment. So let's exclude replies and let's pick a winner. Okay, so the winner is Jen Bartow. So if that is you, please reach out to me via Instagram and you will win the lovely pin that I had. So thank you so much for everyone who subscribed. I hope you stay with me for all of my, adventures, shenanigans, etc. So congratulations, Jen. Reach out to me on Instagram or another means of my social media, all linked down below, and you will get your prize. So now that that is kind of all done, I am going to be opening the Disney Dogs pin boxes, as well as the Mickey and his pals. So some lore for you. I opened these Disney Dogs with my sister. I'll link that up below, or up above, down below. Up below, that makes a lot of sense. And we opened 2 boxes, so we have 4 of these pins. So I believe I have Lady, Goofy, Big Brother, Little Brother, and the Poodle, I believe. I believe this is from Oliver and Company. I am missing the Dalmatian, Copper, which I really, really want, and, oh, what's her name? Nanny? Is that her name? She's like the nanny dog. So from Peter Pan. So those are what I'm missing. So I have no opportunity for duplicates here. And then we can start with the Disney Dogs. So let us start opening. If you are unfamiliar with Disney blind boxes, they come with 2 specific pins. They're always in this blind bag, so you have no idea what you are getting. The time that I was at the parks, it retailed for $22.99. I believe they did increase some of that, some of their prices. But okay, so let's start out, and these are always super difficult for me to open. Okay, so let's see. And it's Lady again. So I know I have her, but she's cute. Very cute. Okay, next one. And I know I have her too, the Poodle. So, okay, so that was a dud for that one. But that's okay, we still have another box to open. I swear if I get these same exact 4 pins, I'm gonna be a little sad. But that's okay, this is why we do this, right? Okay, next one. Copper! Yes! Okay, so he was the reason that I really, really wanted this blind bag. So now I am very excited and happy. This was the pin that I wanted. So if you don't know, I have a Basset Hound. My family grew up with Basset Hounds. I don't currently have a Basset Hound. She's a rescue, but I know Copper is a bloodhound, but those ears get me every single time. It doesn't matter what type of dog. So I am so pumped that I got Copper. So I don't even care what I get next because Copper was who I wanted. Let's open. And I got the Dalmatian. Would this be the dad Dalmatian? I don't know his name. Comment down below what his name is. I suck at names. So, okay, so out of the ones that I already have, there are 2 new ones, so very exciting. If you would like to trade and you have either Nani or whatever his name is, this guy. Let's see, let's get the not crooked box. Or this guy. Comment down below or reach out to me on Instagram and you want Lady or the poodle, let me know and we can trade. Very close to the camera. Okay, so all up and close and personal. So those are the Disney dogs. And now I have Mickey and his pals. So the fun thing about this blind box is we actually opened it on our October trip. So me, my boyfriend, Steve, Jen, my sister, and her now fiance, Dominic, we all went back in October. So what I saw someone else do is they opened these packs and whatever character that you got was the character that you were that week. So I got Minnie. So I have Minnie, and then I also have Pluto because that was what Steve opened, and then Jen also got Pluto, and I believe Dominic got Goofy. So again, I'll link that vlog up, up above. So then when I opened these, I had to get more because these are absolutely cute. So essentially, I currently have Mickey and I have Pluto. So I would be happy with anyone else. If I am putting it out into the universe, Mickey would be cute, and then I also do really want Chippendale. So Chippendale is probably the one that I want, but we shall see. They were very decently sized pins, which is why I had to pick up more. So I've got 2 boxes, so 4 opportunities. So let's see, and we're starting off with a duplicate. So starting with Minnie Mouse, she is gorgeous. She's in her moment, but I do already have her, so that's okay. Next up, we have Mickey. So they were in a pair in this bag. So we have Mickey Mouse. I feel like he looks like he's going golfing a little bit because he's in his blue polo, but the blue is very, very pretty, very shiny, and they are pretty decently sized pins. So that's kind of cute. Okay, so I have the It couple. Now, next box. And last 2 pins we are going to open in this video. So let's see, let's open this guy up. And we have Pluto. So double duplicates here as well. That's okay. That's okay. And then last one. Okay, so we're hoping for Goofy. We weren't hoping for Goofy, but I did not have Goofy because Dominic took Goofy. So that is 2 new pins that I have. So that is cute. I feel like, are these the same color? They're a little different. Goofy is a little more green than blue. So super, super cute. Again, if you would like to trade Pluto and Minnie Mouse for either Chip and Dale or the 3 Donald's nephews, what are their names? Huey, Dewey, and Louie? Huey, Louie, Dewey? Something like that. These 2 would be who I would love to trade for. So if you need Minnie Mouse or Pluto and you have Chip and Dale or the 3 nephews, let me know, comment down below, and I would love to trade with you. So that's exciting. So got some little Disney fix here. I am hoping to be able to go to Disney World here, who knows when, but I'm hoping to go at some point in life. So if you like this type of video, if you like Disney World content, just kind of chaotic vlogs, please subscribe, like this video to let me know that you like these types of videos. It really does help out my channel. And comment down below what your favorite pin is out of these 2 blind boxes. And thank you so much for staying with me today. I appreciate every single one of you, so thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful and magical day. Bye.